Hey traders, I hope you are doing well today. We are going to make a top-down analysis related with Bitcoin. I'm going to begin this from the weekly chart, and we are going to look at what is happening also on the lower time frame. As you may see on the weekly chart, price is showing that it is testing the wicks of these candles here. So overall, we are below a very strong resistance area. Approximately the resistance area is between 31,000 and 900 to make it a round number, and also the lower part of the structure 29,000 here. So let's see what is going to happen from this zone. So if price is going to move down, it has all the chances and it is in line with the structure. So the chances are high that, considering that price showed support in this area before, when the price came down the first time, came down these other times here, and it was needed a very strong bearish momentum to push the price down, we may see the same bearish momentum to stop the price in this area here. So let's see what is going to happen on an hour time frame. So we are going to move on the daily. On the daily chart, we have only some small candles that are consolidating in this area. The low was close to 20,000, 26,500, and the top 29,000 approximately. However, in this chart as well, we can see another pattern here. So we have this type of inverse head and shoulder pattern that is showing that the chances are very high that the price may continue to rise further from this point. However, how the price reacts most of the time is that it tends to move down to the broken neckline of the pattern, if this is going to respect the old pattern that we are looking at. So the chances are very high. It is strange that price is testing one resistance from above and it has also the support from below, so this is going to be very interesting. And in this area I'm looking at for very strong zone. So this is our strong zone located between 25,000 and 115. This is going to be interesting in this area here. Just one moment. And the top that we have here, 29,000. This is going to be the maximum and the minimum for this movement. On the 4-hour chart, if we are going to break this down again, we can see that we have another correction zone. I'm going to keep this in this way. It looks very interesting how the price is developing again. On the 4-hour, we have this large pattern. Just one moment. Let's remove this for the moment. We don't need that anymore. And we may see that our price is developing between the top 29,000, but it makes sense more that we can make a smaller top here, considering that on the upper part of the structure, price is showing only a speculative volume. So this was just a stop hunting at this point. So the corrective zone looks more clearer in this point between 28,000 and 900, and also the lower part that is looking very good, close to 26,600 at this point. And here we are within this large pattern. So the chances are very high that the price can spend time in correction between these 2 points. Look at this here. Price can create the same wave again and it can move down from this point. What is very interesting in the current conditions that I'm looking at is that if price is going to hold above this area, if price is going to hold above 28,350, 360, then the chances are very high that it may continue down further from this point. The first target zone that I'm going to look at in this situation will be this small structure, and probably later the lowest part of the structure. So this is going to be the first zone, and next one will be this part here. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin in the current conditions. Also, we don't have anything else for Bitcoin. I don't see any reason for the price to increase. However, we are not in a stable market and we can expect everything. For the moment, we are trading within this range trading pattern here. We are having sideways movements, and any movement above the structure, it may push the price up further from this point. So this is the scenario that will invalidate the bullish wave again. However, for the moment, if price is going to hold below this zone for the moment, 28,300, it should push the price down again. So let's see what is going to happen. But this is a trading scenario that it has higher chances. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis for Bitcoin. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you, and I hope to see you all on the next video. Bye bye.